So today's little adventure takes us to the Sutton Coldfield Model Engineering Society's site. So this is basically the first time I've had the 9F out anywhere else. A friend and I, Chris, went down there for a running day of part of the model engineering club that we belong to at Erewash. And there's some footage here to show you what we did and what we've been up to. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll speak to you in a little bit. Cool. Right, in today's episode, we took 9F out to the Sutton Coldfield Model Engineering Society. We have an invite from them through our Model Engineering Society at Erewash, and we had a wonderful, wonderful time out there. It was real nice to meet everybody. Fantastic track, really well set up. What follows in this video is going to be mostly just clips of us running around, both myself and Chris. We've got a few turns on the 9F. She performed really, really well. Very pleased with her. Did have a slight snag in that when I got back, I seem to have lost one of the connections between the tender and the loco. If that's lying around on the field there, let me know. I don't think it is. It just seems to have disappeared. Anyway, I've made another one. See what you think. I'll speak to you soon. Enjoy the footage.
Your slide bars are straight.
It's supposed to be, aren't they?
Yeah. So the mates just had to. It was just off.
Yeah.
And what he found was that pull forward, it would like kind of semi-lock. So you could hear it. And it was just the slide bar. And it was obviously binding up here.
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
Right, yeah. So it was fantastic. Really, really lovely day. The weather was perfect. We even popped to the pub briefly afterwards, Chris and myself. It was busy, but fantastic. Really pleased we decided to go. Engine performed magnificently. So we did lose a bit of a somewhere in between, probably like finishing for the day and load it back into my car. I've looked everywhere for it. I can't find it, but it doesn't really matter. So that's that. Really, really enjoyed it. There's some fantastic machines out and about. A couple of the guys you've probably seen on the video just now belong to Erewash, and they took their diesels and a few other bits. There's some high level running, ground level 5-inch gauge with us, and there's some massive 7 1/4 stuff there as well. Really worth, if you get a chance, if you're down that part of the world, to go and pop in and have a look. They do some open days, I think, around Bonfire Night and some others. There will be a website. I'll try and drop a link in the description below. Really, really enjoyed it. As far as channel updates and things go, I've got a fair bit of stuff writing around I want to sort of bring you up to speed on. In fact, I'll probably do a little bit of a batch. So this will be the first one you'll see, and then I'm going to do a few more videos. But again, as always, thank you ever so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. We're doing 1,030 subscribers at the moment. I know that would go up, and I know I need to get the viewing figures up if we're going to make anything of this. I will keep trying to get the videos out on a more regular basis. At the moment, we're just in the midst of a kind of heat wave in the UK. So as you can see, I'm pretty dressed down with tactical flip-flops on, that kind of thing. But yeah, I'll try and pull some more videos together. There's loads of stuff going on. In fact, I'm waiting the delivery of something quite important soon as well, which we'll talk to you about when it gets here. But yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all in the next video.